Hello friends, welcome to my Japanese language class. Today we are going to learn lesson 17. In this lesson we will learn nai form of the verb. You know there are three types of verb: ichi group, ni group and san group. Look at here. Group 1, group 2 and group 3. All E sound words comes to group 1. So how we change group 1 verb to nai verb? Look at here. E line change to A line. It means E sound of the alphabet change to R and R nai. Here kakimasu, kaki. Ki is the E line. It changed to A sound, means A line, that is ki changed to ka. So ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. So ki changed to ka. So kaka, nai, or nai. Okay. Kaki changed to kaka or nai, became kaka nai. Similarly, nomi mas. Nomi mas, the last word is mi. Mi changed to ma. As per this, E lines changed to A line plus nai. So here mi changed to ma. So it became noma nai. Hanasimasu, si changed to sa. So hanasa nai. Machimasu, chi changed to ta. So mata nai. But here suimasu and aimasu. As here mentioned, E changed to wa. This is special. It means when the E will come, E alphabet will come, E changed to wa instead of a. As per this rule, it won't take a, it take wa. Suimasu, suanai. Similarly, aimasu, awanai. Kaimasu, kawanai, like this. Okay. Next, torimasu, ri changed to a line alphabet, so it became ra. So tora nai. Asobimasu changed to asoba nai. Okay. In group 1, verbs change E line to A line and add nai. Okay. So read once again. Kakimasu, kakanai. Nomimasu, nomanai. Hanasimasu, hanasanai. Machimasu, matanai. Suimasu, suanai. Aimasu, awanai. Torimasu, toranai. Asobimasu, asobanai. Okay. Next come to ni group verb. In ni group verb, simply cut mas and add nai. Tabemas, we just omit mas or cut mas, add nai. It became tabenai. Similar to other verbs of the ni group also same. Nemas, nenai. Agemas, agenai. Osiemas, osienai. Wasuremas, wasurenai. Okimas, okinai. Mimas, minai. As you know, there are some E line of words. They comes to ni groups verb. Okay. Next comes to third group verb. You know, third group verb comes simas and kimas and noun plus simas. Like benkyo, it is a noun, noun plus simas. Benkyo, simas, noun benkyo, add simas, it became third group verb, benkyo simas. Like this, kaimono simas, kaimono simas. Okay. Simas changed to sinai. Similarly, simply we cut mas and add nai. Okay. But kimas became konai. Okay. Like this, benkyou shimasu, benkyou shinai, as for this. Sentaku shimasu, sentaku shinai. We just cut mask and add nai. Here also cut mask, add nai. Kaimono shimasu, kaimono shinai. Okay? Hope you understand how to change to nai form of the verb. Ichi group, ni group and san group. Okay? It is very simple. In ichi group, you just change e line to a line and add nai. There is only one special when e will come in that ichi group verb like I must, sui must, kai must. Then e change to wa, not a. In ni group, as we did in te form, just cut mas and add te. Similarly, in nai form also, we just omit mas from the verb and add nai. Like tabe mas, tabe nai, osie mas, osie nai, ne mas, ne nai, age mas, age nai, shime mas, shime nai. Like this. Okay? In third group, shimas, shinai, but kimas change to konai. Okay? Now we will learn the grammar related to nai form. Okay? As we learn in our previous classes, te form and also grammar related to te form. In nai form also, we learn nai form. Now we are going to learn grammar related to nai form. Okay? Let's start. Let's learn. V nai form, nai de kudasai. V nai form means, suppose, kakimasu is mas form, change to kaka nai. This is nai form, kaka. Okay? Nomimasu, noma nai. Noma is the nai form. So, this much only nai form. So, nai form, nai de kudasai. Okay? It means, please don't do. Okay? Let's see the sentence. Koko ni hairanai de kudasai. Koko de kutsu wo nuganai de kudasai. Ashita byoin ni ikanai de kudasai. Kasa o wasurenai de kudasai. Koko de shashin o toranai de kudasai. Koko ni jitensha o okanai de kudasai. So, haira, nuga, ika, wasure, tora, oka. All are nai form. So, nai form, nai de kudasai. It means, please don't do that. Haira nai de kudasai, don't enter here. Nuganai de kudasai, please don't take out your shoes. Ikanai de kudasai, please don't go. Wasurinai de kudasai, please don't forget. Toranai de kudasai, please don't take photograph. Sashino toranai de kudasai. Toranai de kudasai, please don't take. Okanai de kudasai, please don't put here. Okay, this is the instruction to someone to please don't do that action. Okay, hope you understand this grammar form. Next, we will learn V nai form, naければなりません, which means it's must to do. Regardless of interest of the doer, has to complete that job. Let's see the example sentence. V nai form, なければなりません. Meaning is must do. Look at the sentence. Kusuri wo noma nakereba narimasen. 毎日漢字を覚えなければなりません。パスポートを見せなければなりません。明日までにレポートを出さなければなりません。本を返さなければなりません。OK? 飲みます。HereないForm is 飲まなければなりません。覚えなければなりません。覚えます。is new group verb. 見せなければなりません。見せます。It is new group verb. 出します。出さなければなりません。返します。return. 返さなければなりません。Okay? Hope you understand the grammar form. VないForm なければなりません。Which meaning is must to do. We used in the sense where we have to do the work. Okay? The next grammar is VないForm なくてもいいです。Which meaning is need not. Need not to do. This grammar is using where the thing is not necessary to do it. In that sense, we can use this grammar. Please look at here. VないForm なくてもいいです。Need not. Okay? 名前を書かなくてもいいです。靴を脱がなくてもいいです。料理を作らなくてもいいです。傘を持たなくてもいいです。タクシーを呼ばなくてもいいです。Okay? As per the night form of the verb, you know, kakimasu change to kaka, nugimasu change to nuga, chukurimasu change to chukura, mochimasu change to mota, yobimasu change to yoba. So, 名前を書かなくてもいいです。No need to write the name. 靴を脱がなくてもいいです。No need to take out your shoes. 料理を作らなくてもいいです。No need to cook. 傘を持たなくてもいいです。No need to bring your umbrella. タクシーを呼ばなくてもいいです。No need to call the taxi. Okay? Hope you understand this grammar. Next, we are going to learn noun, object, text, verb particle. Before we learn when the direct object comes to the verb, that direct object take O particle. Okay? But here it can take verb particle when it used as a topic of the sentence. Look at the example sentence. Noun, object, verb. ここに荷物を置かないでください。What we learned in our previous lesson. In lesson 6, 荷物 is object, so it takes direct O particle. But in this sentence, 荷物はここに置かないでください。Here, 荷物 is topic of the sentence, so it takes wa particle. Here, 荷物 is object, it takes O particle. Here, 荷物 is a topic of the sentence, so it takes wa particle. Okay? Next, look at here. ここに答えを書いてください。Here, 答え is the direct object, so it takes O particle. 答えはここに書いてください。Here, 答え is topic of the sentence, so it takes wa particle. Okay? So, if you make a objective sentence, that object takes O particle, but when we make it as a subjective sentence, that subject, take the verb particle. Okay? Hope you understand it. Next comes to noun, time, madeni, verb. Madeni refer to a particular time. Okay? By this time, need to finish some work. Okay? Look at here. Kaigi wa rokuji madeni warimasu. Okay? Kinyobi madeni hon o kaesa nakereba narimasen. So, madeni is used for the point of the time or limited time. By that time, that action need to finish. Okay? Hope you understand today's lesson. If there is any queries, please write down in my video. I will get back to you soon. For study materials, you can download from Sign Language website. Okay? Thank you for watching my class. Sayonara.